come with me to a cooking class in Mauritius. So I went to La Tablier cooking class hosted by Nafizah. It's located in the east of the island. I was staying in Baie. I drove all the way to Bel Air to meet Nafizah and step out my comfort zone. See, now, I've never done a cooking class before, but I cook all the time and I've done food tech for GCSE, so I'm kind of used to being in the kitchen. So starter one was jackfruit fritters. I'm not gonna lie, the texture was nice, but it's not my favorite. But if I had to impress someone's auntie, I'd definitely eat it again. It wasn't bad. So starter two was gateau piment. I'm sorry about the pronunciation, Nafizah, I'm probably getting it wrong. But this was golden fried balls, pause. If I'm honest, I should have tried this outside from the get-go because it was so nice. It was a 10 out of 10 elite snack. I'm so happy we made it fresh as well. The main course was a traditional Mauritian biryani. Yes, I made biryani. And Nafizah had a homemade tamarind sauce. Oh, it was so nice. It was delicious. It was like sweet chili's older cousin. The only L was Mauritians. They put egg in their biryani. I'm not an egg fan. I will not try egg. I've had egg before. Never been a fan. So respectfully, I swerved that part. Now on to desserts. My favorite part. Dessert was called sagoo. It's a milky coconut dessert. Unfortunately though, I don't like dairy products. So this for me wasn't nice. But if you like dairy, I can imagine you'd love this. I don't like milkshakes. I don't like anything milky. So yeah, this wasn't fault of Nafizah. I'm just not a milk fan. But Nafizah made the whole thing worth it. She was funny, she was welcoming, she's intelligent, and she repped Mauritius perfectly. If you're ever out there, trust me, book a class. She's a real one.
Allow it to sit. We're not going to remove the cover yet. It's dum biryani, D-U-M. Dum biryani is like the fave that comes out.
Not the smart one.
This dum biryani is like we cook it to show you.
Bad joke. Yo, it's Bins. You've just had a taste. Now dive into the chaos. More vlogs, more madness, more memories from the ends to the world. We've been traveling. So what are you waiting for? Click, watch, subscribe, and live the madness with me. Let's go.